Yes, AI will replace parts of the CFO role. Anyone telling you otherwise is wrong or lying, but it will not in the near term replace the part founders actually need. So real quick, before we go any further, I'm Jim Miller, founder of Astero Group. We combine CFO leadership with modern tools so founders can move faster, keep more of their money, and avoid expensive mistakes. All right, so first of all, AI is incredible at processing data, faster forecasts, better pattern recognition, cleaner reporting. What AI cannot do is judgment. It can't feel risk. It can't weigh human consequences. It can't tell you not to take the deal everyone else is excited about. It can also be wrong. It can assume, it can lie to you. Founders don't struggle because they lack data. They struggle because every decision has trade-offs and no perfect answer. So the future CFO isn't replaced by AI, they're amplified by it. And look, Astero Group created and launched the world's first AI CFO of its kind. So I'm a bigger proponent than most of CFO tech, especially in my industry. And even we steer our clients below $2 million in revenue to a hands-on AI CFO solution, sometimes with a 1 hour per month with the human CFO and a hybrid plan. But for companies above that $2 million in revenue per year mark, we almost always steer them to a fully human solution. And that human CFO is backed by our AI tech to help them do an even better job at what they do. AI handles the noise, human CFO leadership handles the decisions that actually change outcomes.